1.
更换
Remove cleaning cloth,
电池
sponge seal, and fixing screws.
拆掉面盖，
2. Remove front cover and disconnect the terminal cables under
掉
it.
面盖端子线。
3.
这个相对
Unplug
简单
battery cable from
找
main
到
board
电池
and
的端
remove
子
old
线
battery.
从主板上面拔掉，再把电池
4.
拿下来，
Apply double-sided
再
tape to
用
new
新的
battery
电
and
池
secure it in
再
place.
贴上双面胶，卡在固定电池的槽
5.
位，
Plug in battery cable and organize wires.
把线卡好。
6. Reconnect all terminal cables, then reattach front cover. 7. Tighten screws and reinstall the seal, pressing it flat.
锁上螺丝。装上密封棉。
8. Attach rear cover and cleaning cloth. Done.